Welcome to all my friends from everywhere in the world. I'm Mohammed and this is China Office. Today I'm going with my friend Omar for an inspection trip to a factory that produces ice flakes making machine. Okay, today is a factory day, yeah? Bao'an district is one of the newly developed districts of Shenzhen. It's a very good place to open a factory. It's very well connected to Guangzhou, less than a 2 hours drive with a moderate traffic.
开始规划路线，前方350米，继续直行，朝 S81方向行驶，进入中间岔路，继续直行，进入中间岔路。
Ice flakes making machines are big machines to produce ice flakes for commercial use, like fishing, for example. The size that our customer order produces 3 tons of ice flakes each day. The factory that manufactures the machine for us can manufacture machines with different capacity. The smallest is 500 kg a day, and the biggest can produce up to 30 tons of ice a day. So the most important is that you want to show the customer how to
assemble the machine.
And
How to turn it on, how to start the machine.
How to work it to run it, yeah?
How to run the machine.
Okay.
It's here.
When the container of this machine arrives to our customer in Africa, he will not find a problem to assemble it and turn it on. The engine will be installed on the top of the ice container, then he will connect the machine to a power supply.
You need to add one refrigeration system to remain the inside temperature -5. And that is not necessary.
This is necessary for the people who have bigger storage room maybe, and they keep it longer.
We have one reason, because we use a small machine to keep ice making for 1 week. And then they sell the ice in 1 day, weekends, when the fishing people come back. And then they invest another money for the cold room refrigeration system.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, like that.
4, 5. Okay.
I will give you a map. So
There is a map.
yeah, I will give you. I'll give you one map, okay?
Uh-huh.
And then this will teach your customer to assemble this one step by step.
Here must have a space
Yeah, here you should have a window.
window. The other around is not.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. How the machine can know it's summer or winter?
It knows. So in winter, it will run less speed, okay? Especially in the night time when the ambient temperature is down.
Because of the different frequency of electricity for different countries, the factory always must know the destination country of this machine to adjust it in the right way.
Most of the country around the world, they are 400.
400
Yeah,
volt, 50 here.
okay? But in Mexico, it's 220 voltage, 60 hertz. And then there's another one, 480. We need to check this one again with customer.
Here is Libya, 220 volt, 400 volts.
So it's lucky you did not lie to me. The machine is in Libya. If you tell me the machine is in Peru, well, it's a big problem.
The last thing is to connect the machine to a water source and turn it on. Then it will start making ice flakes.
There's the 3-ton ice flake machine, and this quantity is made in 30 minutes. You can see the thickness is 2.2 millimeter, and this room can storage about 1.5 tons in 8 hours. And this quantity is made in 30 minutes. You can see the thickness is 2.2 millimeter, and this room can storage about 1.5 tons in 8 hours. one question. Sorry, what's your name, sir?
Mike.
Mike. Might seem like a stupid question. Why the ice is not stick together?
Well, because they are well frozen already.
Because it's well frozen already.
Well, if some ice melts and then it was refrozen, it will be one big block.
Ah,
yeah.
This won't happen.
Yeah, this is well frozen already, so it's like one pieces.
So it's well frozen, and inside the room, this will not happen. It will not stick together.
No, they will not stick together.
They will not stick together.
Yeah, they will always be like this.
And why is that?
I don't know how to explain.
But when it melts,
yeah, if it melts and then it will refrozen, it will be a big block.
Ah,
and that is not good.
It's not good.
Yeah.
That's why we have to make sure that it doesn't stick together.
Yeah, all the ice here is well frozen. This is good quality ice. You can see that.
Yes, now I understand.
It's very thick and white color. It's more than 2.2.
More than 2.2
yeah.
millimeters.
This is a good quality ice. Okay, we have two customers come to check the quality of his order. They bought 4 sets of 3 ton a day flake ice machine. Each machine is equipped with a 1.5 ice room. They are happy with the machine's working performance. Here we have more machines inside the facility. This is the panel. This is the panel for the ice room. Heat insulated, 100 millimeters thick. It's well heat insulated. And this is the number 2 machine, number 2 machine, number 3 machine, and number 4 machine. Okay, all the machines are here. The machine is equipped with Eaton air condenser, Dillenberg air cooling fan. This one is made in Germany originally. We import. This is the brand. Okay, the brand is like this. It's a German brand. It's made in Germany. Good quality, the best one. Efficient. 3 tons a day. And this is the compressor. This is the evaporator. And here's the control panel. We can see the electrical components. They are all made of a Slider. Slider is an international famous brand for electrical. Yeah, good one. Okay. The customer is still outside there. Okay. And the machine is still working here. This is one full complete 3 tons a day flake ice plant. It's very easy for installation. It's very easy for users to run the ice plant. The ice blade is removing the ice layer from the ice making surface. And new water is getting frozen again. This cycle will repeat itself again like this. 100% clean on the ice making surface. Okay, so this is all I want to shoot about our 3 tons a day flake ice plant. This is Mike. I'm Good Ice Machine. Thank you for your time.